Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this short video, I will show you how to launch e-manual on your Hisense Smart TV. This is very simple. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So one important thing about Hisense TV is that if you don't know how to use it, it comes with an e-manual, and this is how to launch it. The first, you can go over to this section over here and just scroll through, and you're going to see the e-manual. Here's mine over here, and if you don't see it, the next thing you could also do is to go over to your settings over here, click on settings and come down to support. You're going to see the e-manual over here, and they can go ahead and launch it. The e-manual is going to help you to understand your Hisense Smart TV and know how to use it. So this is mine here, and there is instructions on anything or everything on your Hisense Smart TV. So always check your e-manual when you buy your Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.